Hi, I'm Becky McGuire. I want to share with you a couple of these products that I really love from Posh that I don't use all the time, but when I need them, I'm super glad that I have them. So the first one is the Smashing Good Pumpkin Anti-Acne Body and Face Clay. And the next one is the Zitzapper. Okay, so I don't have super acne prone skin that I need to use these products all the time, but I do get hormonal breakouts, and I also get breakouts when I just don't take care of my skin very well for a few days. So I'm gonna post a picture below about what my forehead looked like about 4 days ago. So about Friday before the weekend, I went camping last week and didn't take care of my skin very well. It was hot, and my forehead just broke totally out. It was red and bumpy and definitely broke out. So I used this the first night, which was like Thursday night, and then I used it again on Saturday. And then the Zitzapper I used all the time. Like every day I used it after I washed my face at night. I put it on overnight. I put it on in the morning on little spot areas that I thought needed it. But you're gonna see the difference. You see my forehead, and we can still see a little bit of it, but it's pretty cleared up. And then, to be honest, the kaolin clay in the pumpkin mask will kind of bring out some of the impurities that are in your face. So I got a little pimple here, a little pimple here, but those are very minor. I can zap them away, and I can cover my makeup for right now until they go away. But I just want you to know that it's pulling out the impurities. So I was gonna get those anyway. They might have been bigger, they might have been coming later, but this mask just pulled them out of my skin, got rid of them, took care of them, and then my skin's gonna be much clearer for much longer. So Smashing Good Pumpkin, it is $19, I believe, and then the Zapper as well, which is $15. It's a huge tube. It lasts forever. I'm actually going to show you how to use this one because I'm going to put it on right now. So it's like a cream, okay? So you just put it on the spots you have. Now, when I was putting it on my forehead, I just covered my whole forehead with it, and I could feel a little bit of a tingly, stingy, like on the little parts that were a little bit that I needed it the most. And then I would just cover with my moisturizer afterward. So I hope that you try these if your skin is the kind like mine that needs it. If you have really acne prone skin, you can really use these every other night and all the time. You will see a difference. It has pumpkin in it, which is actually soothing. And then it has salicylic acid as well, witch hazel, and tea tree oil, which also will prevent blemishes and acne from coming out. So try these too. I hope you love them. Have a great day.